What's good, chat? What's good, Daryl, bro? What's good, fam? All right, there we go. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Um, can y'all see that down there? Okay, okay. All right, so we trading inside. We definitely are trading inside this bearish fair value gap. Let me see what is ES doing really quick. Okay, ES is testing at there. looking at price action, I am bullish. I do still think they can come take out these highs after changing the state of delivery down here. Price could tap into this and go lower maybe, but we're gonna wait and see. Um, but these smooth highs right here look too clean. I think that this could be a target now. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll see if they want to just bring into this 4 hour inefficiency, then take it lower. So yeah, we'll see what's going on now. On the 1 hour. Okay, we left this gap open on the 4 hour. 1 hour, we tapped into it just a little bit. This is that new week opening gap there. So what was that one then? Hold on. Oh, okay, yeah, that new week opening gap acting as support there. So, um, yeah, let's see if we get in there. So we have 209520 flat. So this is the midnight opening price right here. 2950. Wait. Yep. Midnight opening. Midnight open right there. And then we got the 830 opening price point here at 074 and a quarter. Okay. Put some more charts up on my screen. Oh no. Alright, let me make sure you guys can hear me and shit. Alright. 9:34. We had news at 9 o'clock. I think it was the ISM manufacturer. Let me make sure on that. Yeah, ISM manufacturing PMI. So at 9:30, we got the first presentation fair value gap at 9:30. Okay, first presentation fair value gap is right here. So first fair value gap of the day. We'll make that purple. Extend that right. What do we do? So we came down. This was the 8:50 a.m. low. Where the London low is dang, there was a lot of movement low key. London low is here. It lines up. Okay, these are kind of like equal lows right here. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. Keep that in mind there. London low. Took out the high from 715 and 9:05. So this was that. At 9 we had that news event, so this was the high there. Took out the buy side there. Ran the sell side, ran the buy side. Any opening range gap, let's see. Okay, we got this huge opening range gap right here. Okay, I want to see what they want to do with that. We got the open at 903 of that gap, 903 and a 903.50. And the close at 027 and a quarter. Just like that. 903. Okay, so consequent encroachment of the opening range gap is at 96575. So let's see if they want to get there before 10 o'clock. Just like that. So we ran the buy side. We ran the buy side, right? If we close below this, that'll be that change in the state of delivery here on the 15 minutes. So I want to see how this closes. Got that 1 hour bullish fair value gap on the 1 hour, so I want to see how they treat that. If we close below that, that could be treated as an inversion. We already closed, but well, we didn't close yet. We got 6 minutes left, so let's see what they want to do with it. This is that London low right here, and this is the Asia session low from Sunday, 10:15. So I'm gonna just mark that out. Traveling below the midnight, traveling below the 8:30 opening price now. We just tapped into this 15-minute inefficiency right here. So from this range, high to low, from here, this dealing range, we are technically in a discount. So let's see what they want to do with the opening range. I can get rid of this now. Let me do that there. We back inside that new week opening gap, so I want to see if they use it as support. As you can see here, we testing the high, the upper parameter of the gap while being in the upper portion of it. So here are the same thing there. So bearish SMT with ES. Yep, I see it. Good call out. So let's see what they give us for the rest of this opening range. Micro coming in 10 minutes, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna close. I'd be surprised if we came all the way back up and closed above this 1 hour. 60-minute. So this should hold up as a change in the state of delivery here. Got that change. I'm still bullish just being patient. Dang, look at this. It's crazy. So they may want to come take out these lows here. It's like they want to head to. Or if they want to just fill in that opening range gap, consequent encroachment. We came into it, so we usually do that. 70% chance likelihood. We do that every single day. So today was one of those days we got the job done on that. Let's see. We just took out the lows from. We just took out a minor low, minor sell side here. Nothing really too crazy. Minor sell side pull there. 2 minutes left inside this candle right here. What is that right there? What did I mark out? Oh, okay, that's not a factor anymore. SMT. Home up here. We didn't even trade into that yet. But looking at this, they may want to leave this open and head here for the day first. This 4-hour gap. They may want to trade into that first, but we'll have to wait and see for more price action, more intel and shit like that. You feel me, chat? Let's see if the midnight point acts as support and we reverse, or if we continue to the downside to take out these lows and possibly this low while tapping into this 4-hour. So got the change in the state of delivery here, so this is likely to happen. We testing this. We closed past this one. Well, we traded past this one. Traded. We haven't closed yet. We traded past this bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute at the 4:30 a.m. candle. Now we're inside that 4:15 a.m. candle. So I want to see what they want to do with that as well. '22 model was perfect. Too bad I was bullish looking for the one that already got to be filled. How would you have took the trade? Would you took it before the 9:30 opening? 9:30. You gotta wait on the change of the state of delivery. 22 model. I don't see the model yet. Nothing has shown me. We swept the high, but we didn't trade back into We didn't trade back into a fair value gap after taking the high yet. Yeah, there's no change in the state of delivery or market structure shift just yet, other than this one. But we haven't retested the proportion block here, the order block here, fair value gap. We haven't did anything yet, so I wouldn't really consider that a 2022 model. Maybe my eye just missing something. Okay. Back below the midnight opening price point. That's what I like to see. If I'm gonna take a long, especially on like a Monday, I want to at least be below the midnight opening price point. There's a small little 1 minute for you and a nice 30-second. Oh, okay. Talking about this gap here. Sweep. I mean, on the 30-second though, you said that's probably like a breaker market structure to the downside on the 30-second. Actually, I can just look. I'm tripping. Oh yeah, you're right. I see it. Yeah, this was the entry. This was a nice entry for you, Austin, bro. You gotta start taking those, especially if and we're above the midnight opening point price point. So that's high probability trade right there, bro. Definitely gotta take that. Now I'm 46. So what is ES doing? Okay, I like what. Okay, hold on. ES just traded back inside of this gap here, that gap there. 15-minute. We also have we have this here, this order block here. We got sweep of this low, change in state delivery here. And we have the retest of this bullish fair value gap here, along with these and this order block as well. Breaker block here. So that's holding up. Do we trade past that? Yeah, we traded past it. So that's sorry. So let's see. Okay, I'm liking this a lot. Swept this low. Use the midnight as support. That's what we're doing so far. Swept that minor low there. Changing the step delivery here. So top right. Let's see if this holds. Order block here, breaker, fair value gap. So let's see. You got this order block holding up as well. We'll see. We'll see if price most likely will create a gap. Price will most likely create a gap here, because we still got to close. So if we can close below this, we'll see. There was a SMT on ES like Daryl called out. I want to see price close below this and see what happens then, because this may be used as an inversion. They may want to send price lower just to target these lows for today, and maybe come inside this one. Pause. Come inside this gap here. We'll have to see. We do got the change here. Five-minute gap we tapped into. Institutional order flow entry drill there. So let's see if this holds up. This whole entire order block right here. Let's see if they respect that. They're trading inside the gap. So, oh shit, we getting some movement today on a Monday. We getting some movement, huh, chat? Okay. We will see, chat. We will see. I'm liking this though. I'm liking this a lot. I'm considering this like consolidation, right? I don't think that we got 9 minutes left. We'll have to wait and see. But we already tapped into the 5-minute, this 5-minute gap here. Institutional order flow entry drill. So price should just continue to, they shouldn't even trade back into this. We should continue to just melt and take out some of these lows, or even if we don't, create some type of SMT. Let me see. Yes, looks like it wants to head there too, but we're still inside that gap, so we gotta wait. Price popping right now. Might have to change my bias. Do your thing, bro. Let's see, chat. Let's see. We getting a lot of movement though. We dropped so far from the opening bell. We dropped 200 points. That's I was thinking about this morning as I was driving home, like market conditions and stuff like that. And like this little move right here, 200 points. Yeah, it's a lot, but it's not a lot for the market conditions we're in. Like we're super volatile right now, so that's kind of normal, especially after what happened last week. I feel like that's normal now. Got this 15-minute buy side, sell side inefficiency right here. We tapped into this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So this is being used as an inversion for the time being. Let me do this. Get rid of that. Opening range gap. Yeah, all right, that's good. 96575. 96575. There we go. See if they want to bring it here. Let's see. We got this 4-hour gap here. It'd be nice if price took out these lows while taking out this low, trade inside this gap, and then formed a buy model or something like that. That'd be nice. I feel like London low should get smacked. Yep, London low right here at 3 a.m. And we also have this 10 p.m. Low from Sunday, that edge of session low. Equal lows, relatively equal lows in my eyes. So they should run that down, run that, and then yeah, let's see. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollar's going lower. Okay. Yeah, dollar tone lower. We haven't tapped into that monthly order block yet, or that bullish fair value gap on the monthly yet. I'll show you guys real quick. As you can see, this is that monthly order block here, and then this is that monthly buy side, sell side inefficiency, bullish fair value gap right here. So I want to see what price does with that. If price does get there, you got hella time though. And if we close below this too, if we close below this gap, that'll be, well, we got a lot of days for that to happen though. We'll have to wait and see. So after the change of the step delivery, we didn't get a model. It didn't give us no type of entry. After the 1 hour, after this 15-minute change of the state. Unless you would have just took this, but. Did we tap into this breaker here? Nope, we came just short of it. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave it like, man. Leave it like for your boy. And let's see what we can catch today, man. This forward candle closes in 4 minutes, so I'm gonna add more charts to my screen. So this would be the, I'll keep this 1 minute. So we just took out that low. We just took out the London low. We just took out the London low, right? So let's see if we want to continue to trade up into this or if we leave this open. It'd be better if we traded up inside this though, and then form some type of buy model. That'd be nice. there any more news events today? Oh, we got news at 9. Oh, okay. At 9 a.m. So at what? Oh, we got news at 10. 10 a.m. my time. 9 a.m. my time, 10 New York. Okay, that was confusing me. On a slick. We inside that this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So I'll make this a different color. Just kind of red. We close past this one here. Close past that there. Not really not a factor anymore. Clean my charts up. 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Slow jagged movement, price goes up. Expect price to run these out when it's slow and jagged like this. So this is basically like, even though we're going up, this is still kind of like consolidation. Just a little bit. That's how I'm viewing it. Beautiful price today. Dan would have count passed, but I waited till 9 a.m. shaking my head. All good, bro. Just you gotta execute on your plan. Every day before you come into the market, read over your trading plan. You read over it. There ain't no way you should miss it. Okay. So we are below the midnight opening point plus the 8:30 opening point. So to me, if I'm bullish, if I think this is really gonna go higher, we are in a deep discount. We're in a super deep discount. Traded back inside this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. We got the change of step delivery here from the 1 hour. That's still holding up. Higher time frame. Change of step delivery. So let's see. This is nice. This is looking nice. Let's see what they want to do with it. We continue to head to the downside. 24 seconds left. Let's see. All good though, bro. All good. You missed this one. You got the sweep, right? Sweep of liquidity. Changing the step delivery here. And then you go short. You go short here. And what's on your everything is on your side. You got the sweep, change, retest into a fair value gap, and then you have the macro on your side. Okay, we gapped down, so we had like a little gap down right there. So price should come back up into that since we gapped like that. We don't have to, but it should. Especially inside this 4-hour inefficiency there, so we'll see. Just like that is good right there. 1 hour. Okay, cool. We tap back into this breaker block right here. This order block, we tapped into it. Breaker block as well. Huge inefficiency. Some would consider this like a unicorn model, maybe. Let's see. Macro still in place. So this was a good little move into the macro right here. Off this inefficiency, you see the sweep of this high, right? And then you got the 5-minute inefficiency here I think yeah, it tapped in as an institutional order flow entry drill with these candles. Macros on your side. This is a if you trade before the 10 o'clock open, um, this was the setup, a good setup right here to go short. Target here, took some off there. Then you could have took some off here, maybe took the rest off, or however you wanted to do that. So yeah, we should, like I said, we should come back into that. But let's see. Today was easy day. And guess what? The midnight opening price is acting as right here, if you can see it, is acting as resistance. So we realistically had like one opportunity here, two opportunities here, three opportunities here. Then you got another one here to consider this a what? I don't really want to consider this a proportion block because we're inside. We're not technically inside the. I mean, we are with this candle, but you had another entry here, right here. So you had a few close proximity entries to get in on that move. This is kind of like I would consider this like a mini swing low. Let me look on a 30-second. It might look a little bit better. Yeah, so we got this swing on a 30-second here. And the new week opening gap consequent encroachment. Let me look at that really quick. Oh yeah, I see it. Yep. New week opening gap consequent encroachment acting as support as well. I mean resistance. So yeah. So for me to take a long here, wow, that looks complete. That looks different. So we swept this low here. I want to see price close above these down close candles and then maybe retest something. Retest this here or fair value gap, whatever it is, and then go along there if that happens. So we'll wait and see. On this one, it looks way better. So I'll just focus on that close there. What is that? The close or the open? The open of this candle here. Price respecting bullish fair value gap. Price respecting bullish fair value gap 1 minute for both. Price respecting bullish fair value gap 1 hour and 5 minute for both ES and NQ. This is a 4 hour. I mean, this is 1 hour, but run on stops. This is mainly that 4 hour bullish fair value gap, but run on stops here. All right, so setup looking pretty decent. Let me see what NQ just did. We got the change in the step delivery there. Bam. Intermediate rebalance there. I'm liking that. So what I'm gonna do is 10:05. I don't mind. Give it a little minute. We just had news. Candle seems like it's holding up, so I'm liking that. And we're below the midnight opening price point. Everything checks off for me, so
order filled.
I'm gonna take that there. Stop, go there. 241. All right, I'll take that on the day. Add one more. Buy.
Order
just
filled.
like that. All right. Get rid of this. Chart setting. Let's see if this holds, chat. We got a little way, so we good. Let's see if this holds. Got this whole entire order block plus this low. Should respect that. Yeah, we should be good. Entry was at 8630. Okay, I like that a lot right there. Stop loss here. Okay. Now I'm gonna take. You cannot trade the symbol CME mini MQ at trading view via trade of 8. What? They won't let me trade it? I started my live account, so my target is gonna be, what do I want to target? Let me see. We'll see. First target, we'll target the midnight opening for sure. I'm gonna frame like a 1 to 2, so just above these highs is okay. Once we get up, if we do get up to the midnight opening price point, I want to see them use that as a support to continue to the upside. So we'll see. Yeah, this looks kind of weird, but on the regular NQ, you can clearly see consecutive down close candles. So let's see, chat. Looking at this wick, consequent encroachment, about right there. If we get to it, then we probably cook. That'd be better if we didn't trade into that. Be a lot better. We do have this woman in inefficiency. Price close? No, it didn't really close out of that as I see right there. We didn't really get a good solid closure above it. Just tested the consequent encroachment of that midpoint of that 4-hour gap there. So let's see if that holds up. On NQ, this is what I seen though. Last line I did finish with that is it here, so we will see, chat. Midnight open, we're below the midnight open in 8:30. We swept the sell side, trade inside a higher time frame bullish fair value gap, changing the state of delivery, still holding up on the 1 hour. We got this change of the state of delivery here. One more time, I'll show you there after sweeping that low. So this little gap there, that a gap, should be treated as an inversion. Should get back above this candle here. That'd be nice if we did do that. Then I'll move my stop below this low. Just like that, chat.
Alright, man, we out of
You about to leave?
Yeah, we heading out.
Alright, cuz I love y'all. Be safe. Alright. Okay, they won't let me trade on I don't know why they won't let me add a position, but if we can. All right, love you, cuz y'all be safe. All right. Um, I don't know why they not letting me use yeah, non-tradable symbol. So I guess I have to trade on. Oh, is this the non-tradable symbol? I don't know why. I got my Tradable account activated, and I have my and I pay for the subscription, the little subscription, whatever. So I don't understand why. I don't understand why, chat. Got the 5 minute. Call that setting up. Not too bad. These down close candles should act as support after sweeping this low. So we got the model inside my model. So 1 hour transitive step deliveries holding up. We trade inside this 4 hour bullish fair value gap. Transitive step delivery on the 1 minute here. Then we have another model sweep. Transitive step delivery there. So this should hold up. If we're bullish, this should hold up. This definitely should hold up. Moving my stop there. We will see, chat. We will see. This 1 minute gap still kind of holding up just a little bit, but I trust my model though. I think this will really hold up. If not, then I was just wrong. If this doesn't work out, that means I was just wrong on the. I was wrong on the. I was wrong on my bias. That's exactly what that means. If it doesn't work out, that means I was just wrong on the day. That new week opening gap consequent encroachment, we could tap it one more time. So I'll put my stop right back there. Just like that, we could tap it just like that. Order block low there, so that'll be a line of defense as well. Your price wants to climb higher from here. Would like to see them get through that gap. This 1 minute gap, would like to see them get through that. Don't want to see it used as an inversion. Just consolidating right here now. You got this low at 10. They might want to run this low out. That was a news low, so they may want to run that out though. They may want to run that out. Yeah. Let me look at CNBC real quick. CNBC markets, US markets. Let me see. So we're kind of, I would say we're more green than red on the stocks today. One and two is all we need. Yeah, we could take out that low, but we'll see. I don't want to see this used as an inversion. That's what I don't want to see, but it's looked like it's happening, so we might be good. Not gonna lie, I'm in shorts target at 9 a.m. candle low. All right. I could see this happening. I could see them run this low, and then maybe have a move higher. I could see that happening, or we just continue to the downside. But I can see them running this low. We still got the new week opening gap acting as support, the consequent encroachment of it. So where is it at? Yeah, there we have that acting as support. We got this bullish fair value gap here, so I want to see them get above that. If we can get above that, check out some of these highs. That'd be nice. Just like that, I want to see them. Yep, get into that gap, close above it. Yeah, we around this area for too much. We building up too much liquidity, I feel like. So yeah. Thursday was a rough day for me. I lost 465 on Thursday, but then that following Friday, I ended up making like half that back. So that was pretty decent. But it looks like today we might replenish that, and then just it'll be alright though. You're still around this new week opening gap. Still holding up as support. I kind of like this. Well, nah. I would say I like this. I like that we kind of staying here, because if we were going to go short from this bullish fair value gap as an inversion, we tapped into it. I mean, we only tapped into it twice, so that's enough time to send it lower. But we'll see. We also got these consecutive down close candles here, as you can see, consecutive down close candles. So if we can get above that, that'll be another change in the state of delivery there. But we didn't take out a low yet, so after doing so I like that. Hopefully we can close above that. If we can close above that, that'd be nice. I'll consider that a reclaimed bullish fair value gap, but we gotta close above it. I'm in buys with you. Yeah, man, we inside this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. We already swept the London low. We're below the midnight opening price point in 8:30. We had a sweep, changing step delivery. That's my complete model. So I'll take this trade every day if it shows up. Like so. Just tapped into this breaker here, this 1 minute breaker. So that's nice. I may take a position on my live account now, but I can't do it on my phone. Let me see. Okay, chat, back in profit. That's what I want to see. I may have to do this really quick. 1 second, chat. I'm gonna cut my screen off. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll have to figure out why it didn't let me take it on my live account, but I'm not in a rush though. I'm not in a rush at all. I got my Tradovate connected, so I don't know why it's not letting me take the position. Look at that. Look at that, chat. I knew this should held up. Not saying this trade can't fail. You feel me? It still could fail and lose. Stop is going there, but this change of the step delivery should hold up. Price is fractal. Should hold up. What I'll do is, okay, so go to the 1 minute. We just took out that high. I'll probably take some off at, let me see. Just tap into that gap as well. I'll probably take some off at the midnight open. Maybe. That's only a 1 to 3. We do have the institutional order flow during the 5 minute. Price could definitely get back up to that. When I see price do things like this, usually price comes back to areas like that. So what I'll do is right. That'll be more than a 1 to 2, and I'll be grateful for that. Limit. I always forget about this. Chat, y'all know I'm gonna ask y'all every time, chat. I'm gonna ask every single time until I remember it. Did you purchase CME data on Tradovate? I have to purchase the CME data as well. I bought it on TradingView. But chat, how do I what do I press, chat? Is it limit buy or limit sell? If I'm buying, take something off, yeah. Is it limit buy or limit sell? Can you let me know? If I'm buying, wouldn't it be limit sell? Correct, chat? No, don't buy on TradingView. You don't need it. Oh, okay, bet. Limit buy or limit sell, chat? Okay, I'll never buy it on TradingView again. Okay, thank you. Would it be limit buy or limit sell, chat? Sell limit. Okay. Thank you. So when I'm buying, I need to write that down on my board. So limit. So what I'll do is, chat. What I'll do is, what I want to do here. How do I want to take it? I don't want to go stop break even just yet, but I'll move my stop under that low candle low. Just like that. I'll reduce it, yeah. But I want to take partials. We did tap into that on the 5 minute. How do we? This 15 minute here. We got this 15 minute CB here. Consequent encroachment of that gap is where? There, we tap right into it there. I still believe that we could trade up into this here, so what I'll do is 15 minute. You guys said I thought I FOMO'd out and took profits, only one contract. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with taking profits early, bro. If you think the market not gonna do what it's supposed to do, then you take your profits, just like any other in real life scenario, bro. Take 12 there, and then take 12 there, then I'll take one off here, and then I'll call it a day, bro. Today Monday. Hopefully we can get up there. Just like that, chat. We'll see if this can rock out, but just catch something real simple and easy. And then if we can get up there, move my stop to break even, trail my SL. Let's see, chat. Let's see. They playing right now, chat. Beautiful, exactly right. Call TraderView and talk to them. They will break it down for you. Only need to buy $9.99 TradingView to trade on TradingView, and you buy for the plan. Okay, yeah. I'll call them today. But I was trying to take this trade on my live account. I was trying to take it off my phone, but I can't see a chart. I can't see a chart on
Order filled.
TradeOvate. All right, so now stops going to break. Stops. We trailing stops under this low there, and then yeah. So let's see if we can get the rest of that, and then call it a day, chat. Beautiful trade. See, I didn't. The old me, it happened to it happened to you, Daryl. But it's okay, bro, because we gotta learn from our mistakes. And if you still made money, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. We trade to make money, but in the future, you want to journal this and just write all this stuff down. Explain what happened. As you can see, most people that would have took the trade where I took it at, they probably would have seen all this and closed the trade. You're goated, bro. I appreciate that, man. I'm an okay trader, man. I'm not the best trader. I'm okay, man. I'm just okay. If price does get here, I mean, we did just take out this low, this high here. We did just take out this high. So that would technically be a run on stops. Plus we have this gap right here. So it could happen. Doesn't mean it have to happen. It could. After taking out this high, being inside this gap, price could have a little retracement, but we're good though. 2 hour from the hit. We already took partials the other day. I'm already up 330, so I'm more than grateful. If this gets hit, I do not care. But like I said, we got this minor swing high. We inside the fair value gap. This is technically a run on stops. So a retracement can happen. But we shouldn't even come back down to all. This should hold up right here. This should hold up. If it doesn't hold up, then we have this. But that'll be the last line of defense if this doesn't get hit. You feel me? Let's see. You got the intermediate rebalance right there. Got this gap here. So it'd be nice if they left this open. Maybe tap into that and then trade it higher. Stop there under that low. Good shit, bro. I appreciate that a lot, man. Appreciate y'all, man. If y'all new to the stream, make sure you leave a like. I dropped my Discord link in the chat. It's pinned at the top if you guys can see that. So yeah. I'll either today or tomorrow. I'm not in a rush to start trading my live account. Yeah, it's a 5-figure account. I'm not in a rush to start trading it. I really want to get this passed, but I'm gonna call them tomorrow. I'll call them today or tomorrow and figure out what's going on. What you guys said. Yeah, man, that drawdown shook me. I'm gonna learn next time though. If that drawdown shook you, that means you're probably risking too much. If you were scared about the drawdown, that means you were probably risking a little bit too much. Cause I made that mistake a lot back in the day. I would be so scared and nervous, and I would damn near be like shaking, bro. I would be shaking. But that's just because I was risking too much. That might not be the case, but for you. But I'm just saying, back in the day when I would trade, stuff like that, and I was over leveraging, I kind of didn't know what I was doing at the time, a little bit, not really too much, but I do know that if you're risking too much, you're going to get all those emotions and feelings. If you're risking less, you're not really going to care. Like, it's just like trading on a demo. Let's see, chat. What could it tap back into? On this 5 minute, let's see how we treat this 5 minute wick here. If price trades into that, that's technically a intermediate rebalance. Price should hold up. I don't want to see price stab back into this. Price could stab back into it, but if it does, then I'll call it a day. I don't want to be inside that. But got the intermediate rebalance there. Price stab back into. If price stabs back into this 5 minute, they probably use this 5 minute to take higher and carry on with the rest of this the move. So let's see, man. Let's see. Five-minute intermediate rebalance. We got this gap right here. I'm looking at as support as an inversion, so I'll mark that out there. Hold on. Because if this is going to be treated as an inversion, right? Really don't want to see price come back into the lower quadrant of the gap. We already had the intermediate rebalance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The midpoint should act as support to take to the upside. Like I said, I don't really want to see us trade inside this. We already did enough work down here, so I want to see no reason on why it would, but it could. You know what I mean? Market can do whatever it want, but it should be enough though. Let's see. And this is on a 5 minute time frame, not a 1 minute. So this If anything, this should hold up even more. Doesn't mean it has to, but like it's more stronger if it's on the 5 minute rather than a 1 minute. Like if this was a 1 minute leg and we seen this gap, price could easily run through that. But since it's like the 5 minute chart time frame, whatever, um, should hold up a little bit more. Got the breaker here. We didn't even tap back into the breaker, so we could tap back into that and not even trade back into this to continue higher. We could. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see.
Order filled.
All right, that's it for today, chat man. Solid little trade. Solid little trade. 419 on the day. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll definitely take that. You feel me, chat? What a good trade. What a good trade. We're not way for me not to close this. I thought about closing it, but I looked up at my my whiteboard. I can't close any trades. Only thing I can do is just move my stop to break even, take partials, minimize my risk. That's the only thing I can't do. Can't be closing trades. Yes, sir. Nice, bro. Thanks for the knowledge. For sure, bro. For sure. For sure. And I ain't gonna lie, today I was skeptical about getting on the markets, taking a trade today. I'm like, my family's in town. I got a house full of people. As you can see, they just came inside my room. I'm like, do I want to trade today? Do I want to just kick it and vibe and come back tomorrow? But this is why it's important to stay consistent. Not saying that I'm not consistent if I wouldn't have traded today or anything like that, but there's always opportunity in the market. This is one good move right here. This is a very good move right here. But can we all agree? Bro, that like from the micro to the mini, this shit looked different. Like it looked completely different. New week opening gap there. I still believe price can run higher. Exactly what I said. Remember, if you guys remember what I said throughout the live stream, we swept this high, we inside this fair value gap, right? Bearish fair value gap. It doesn't have to happen, but it's likely to happen. A run on stop, so there'll be a retracement. You feel me? It's like that mostly every time for the most part. I don't know the percent. I would have to like do some back testing, some long, deep back testing, and figure it out. But it's likely to have some type of retracement. And then what happened right here? Another run on stops, another fair value gap. Bam, we trade higher. I do believe that price can come higher. We did just tap into that 15-minute bearish fair value gap though, but we traded outside of it, which is normal though. NQ is very volatile right now, so it's normal. But you see how we closed above this one as well too. Closed above this one as well, so this should be treated as an inversion. We should continue to trade higher. We should. You feel me? Don't take my word for that. But look at this. We colored outside the lines just a little bit. This is one huge order block. So we got the intermediate rebalance 15-minute there. So if anything, still good. Longs are still good. And we're below the midnight opening price in 8:30. So we're in a deep discount. So a long here wouldn't have been bad. A long aside here wouldn't have been bad. At this intermediate rebalance of this candle's high there, that's another long entry. You could still take price higher. At least into this gap here, if you thought it was going to get there, or to the upper parameter of this new week opening gap. We got the midnight open, 8:30 open. You could target that as well. So I just didn't want to be inside this. I was okay with what? 400 a day. I'm okay with that. I'm on a 50K account. That's more than enough. So We got the rest of the week and rest of the month. So you could have went long here, if you believe price will still continue to the upside. These are just entries. We got the reclaimed bullish fair value gap right here. So price traded through the fair value gap, closed below it, traded back into it, used it as, I'm looking at this gap right here. Let me go to do this instead. All right. Reclaimed bullish fair value gap there. All right. See that using this one as an inversion, like I just said. All right. Reclaimed bullish fair value gap. You still got time to take a long. If you're below the midnight opening price, if you think price will go higher, a long position still solid. You got this here. You got this here. These should be acting as support, you know. You also got this discount wick, the midpoint of it. So if price does trade lower, look at this as defense as well, or a rate to enter off of. And yeah, chat. Stop there. Stop was moved there. Stop was moved there. I took partials. Here. So at like a 1 to 7 for the most part. I took partials at a 1 to 7, and then moved my stop and profit. No, did I? Where did I put it? I think I put it under this low. I think I moved it under. Let me see. I don't know where I moved it to, but still decent on the day. I want to see if we can get up and take out that. Really want to see if we can get up and take out this high here on the 15-minute. I mean on the 5-minute here, because like I said, once you see this happen, institutional order flow entry drill, price usually comes back to that. Then sometimes in the same session, price comes back to that. You feel me? So order block here, breaker here. So this was a pretty nice move. Probably could have went long at the breaker. After getting hit at break even, probably could have went long at the breaker. But I'll make sure I journal this. You feel me? I'll journal all this up. So today we caught about. I went long. Oh yeah, this is from Friday's move. Oh, this is during the London session. Took a trade during the London session. As you can see, price is consolidated. They took a trade during the AM session. Got a pretty decent little run. But on the 1 minute, I went long at. What was my first entry at? I can't even see this screen. 28.59. 28.59 in 2 quarters. So 20. After seeing that happen, 28.59. I think I went long on this candle. 28.59 in 2 quarters right there. So about what? 85 points. That's good. That's solid. Solid little run. I want to see if we can take out these highs, and then I'll end stream once these highs get taken. Did anybody catch the long? Anybody else caught the longs with me? Yes, micro a little bit more choppy, 1 step closer to passing. How you managed to trade? I was gone a little bit. Oh, okay. So what I did was, Sadiq, bro. So this is what I did. I'm pretty sure you were there for the entry, right? You were there for the entry. Stop was here at first. Seeing this happen, price came back to it. I moved my stop here, but I moved it back just because I was looking at this the midpoint of the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. I was looking at that and I was thinking, okay, hey, price may want to run this low and leave this low intact. That's what I was thinking inside my head. You feel me? And then I was looking at this bullish fair value gap right here, and I didn't want them to use that as an inversion, but we stayed stagnant around this area for quite some time, which I wanted to see if we're gonna go lower from this bullish fair value gap and we treat it as an inversion. We shouldn't be here too many times. We should just get right to the point, maybe 2-3 times max. But we stayed here, as you can see, one time, once, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times we there. Price runs higher. I took 2 off at the upper parameter of that 15-minute bearish value gap. So I took 2 off here, and I left 1 on for here for this 5-minute here. But as you can see, we never got there, and I moved my stop below. So price was here. I was looking at a 1-minute inversion. I moved my stop. So once price did that, here, right? I moved my stop under the lower parameter of this 5-minute SIBI here. That's being treated as inversion so far. But I moved my stop here, and then that was it. 419 on the day, not bad. Good way to start the week off again. So pretty solid. And that's exactly how it went. You feel me? That's exactly how it went, chat. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'm 2 subscribers away from my goal for the month. I wanted to hit 450 before March, but we didn't do it, so it's okay though. But I'll try to hit we'll try to hit 450 before the end of the week, and then for the rest of the month we'll try to aim for 500 subs. I know I gotta upload more videos and stuff like that here soon. I know me live streaming, it'll be a little harder to connect with people and meet new people just off me live streaming. So I'm aware of that. I used to do YouTube back in the day, so I am aware I need to upload videos if I want to grow and meet new traders and build a community for ICT traders. I would definitely have to upload actual videos. But yeah, man, that'll be it for the day, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're new to my channel, make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I stream every day around 9:15, 9:20. So when you come watch me trade tomorrow, stop by, and that'll be it, chat. I appreciate y'all for stopping.